Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the front joint bearings on the 2010 Jeep Liberty. I've already taken out the tire. So first step is to take out the calipers here to change out. So let's take out the okay, this one's I've already loosened that one up. So to take these out, to take out the caliper, you need a size 21 socket. You don't have to use the you don't have to use an impact wrench. You can use a regular adjustable wrench with this, but since I have it, I might as well use it. Okay, I took out one. Be a little difficult first, but it comes off. So before you start your job, you should hang this up. Let's see, how do we hang this thing up? There you go. Okay, and take out the screw here, and the best way to take this out is with the impact wrench, but if you don't have it, the job will be difficult. So luckily I have it. This is a 2010 Jeep Liberty, so this size is 35. You would probably think that 35 is not going to fit, but it's going to fit. Should fit. Okay, you can hammer it in some. Okay. And this is gonna get stuck in here. Okay, now we're gonna take out the hub. There are two little holder thingies here. Closer, Paka. Okay, these you can just pry off little tabs. Get closer. There you go. Pry off the tabs, take them out. They just hold the hub in place. So, got the hub. Okay, next we're gonna take the control arm, take it out. There's a pin at the bottom. There's a pin at the bottom. You can just straighten that out. pliers. Okay. Okay. Okay, so take that out. Put that to the side. This should be a size 21. Take out the control arm. Size 21. What's this? 21. Okay. Okay, came out. Make sure you put it in the same way. Put to the side. Okay, get a hammer. Should bust it loose. There you go. Put some lube on here. A lot of times the new ones, the old bearings, they stick on here. So it's good to lube it up. Now we're gonna push in this axle rod. We're gonna push it in. That way we have easy access to the screws back here. There are 3 screws back there. Not sure if you can see them, but without pushing this in, it'll be hard to put in a ratchet through there. Okay, I'm going to use a puller here. See if we can get this started. Okay, put a size 16 on this. You can use the air hammer too, but I don't have one, so. Okay, it went in a little bit, so. That should be good enough. Let's get back up. Okay, let's see if we can take out these. It's hard. Can't reach there, so I can reach here. Start at the bottom. Okay, there goes one. And you do the same for all 3 of those. Okay, I took out the 3 screws out of there, so now we're gonna have to hammer this out. So, see, as you can see, it's pretty tight on there. We don't have to take out the sensor here, because we don't need to take it out right now. So let's see if we can take this out. Okay. First, line up the holes. Okay, got that on there. It's lined up. So you can put one nut in there. This is going to be the hardest part of the job. Where's my 18? Also, now we're going to put the control arm back in. Got all those other 3 nuts tight, so this is okay. Well, that was easy. It doesn't have a hole, so where'd this go? Oh, there's a hole down there. Okay. Hand tight first. Okay. This one you have to torque it to, I think it was 96 also, but I'll check again. So basically, okay, put the pin back in. So basically, you put the pin back in its hole and then twist it. Should have got no one of these. That one's not holding. Now, now we can try this. I don't want to have to press these brakes to get this in. Where's this go? Oh, I missed one. Yeah, jack some nut. But before you put it in, clean it off real well, just so your socket won't get stuck in there like mine did earlier. I cleaned this off earlier, but okay. Clear this up some. I don't have to hammer it because it's not going to come back out if I hammer it. Let's try hammering it. Yeah, that's not going to come out once I drill it in. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay, that's in there. You need to torque that also. I think mine's 100 again. So this is stuck. How do you get that out? Can't take it out of here. I want to try this. So. Okay, this, as you can see, this 35 socket is stuck in there, so I'm gonna have to clean it out. Let's take this back out again. Completely stuck again. So oh, it's real tight this time. I was finally able to take this out again, so let's clean this up some more. And we can lube it up. Yeah. Clean this up too.
Vale.
Okay, let's try this again.
Cheio de pacaro.
Okay.
That's also salty corpo.
It's not going to work like that. Okay, I think it's coming out this time. Yes. Okay, then let me tighten this up with a toe crunch. Oh no. Okay, this should be good. We'll put on the tire and see if the noise goes away. Okay, got the bearings and tires back on, so we're gonna test drive it, see if we hear that noise. The noise was starting when I went past 30, so right now it's 30, 40. I don't hear any sound coming from the front, any humming sound. So replacing the bearings fix that problem. Thank you for watching.